Now children, let's perform the third activity. You know that in this plate I have taken these broken pieces of chalks. Okay, and through this chalk pieces, if we crush them properly, or if we crush them properly in this way and make powder from these pieces, then you can see that this is also a kind of change. Means from chalk we make powder. Okay, one piece I have crushed properly, and you can see that now it is changed from chalk piece into powdered form. Okay children, now you can see this is a fine powder, easily you can see. And from this chalk powder, if we collect again and we mix little bit water, then again we can make chalk when we put this chalk powder in any mold, just like chalk or cylindrical mold, we can say when we make it dry. After making it wet, we collect it and then we again make it dry by giving the shape of chalk. Then we can again make chalk from this powder. Okay, so this is a kind of reversible change. Children, you have studied about the reversible and irreversible change. So now you have seen that from this chalk piece I have crushed and made powder from it, and from this powdered substance again we can reverse it to make as a chalk piece like this. Understand? So this is an example of reversible change, because in reversible change, children, you know that everything which is undergoing change, that will convert again into the first previous condition. Okay, means जैसे ये चौक से हमने पाउडर बनाया तो पाउडर से फिर से हम चौक बना सकते हैं. मीन्स जो चेंज हुआ उसको हम फिर से पहले वाली पोजीशन में, पहले वाली स्टेट में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ reversible change. Okay, there are so many examples of reversible change. I have told you that you write examples your own. Okay, so that you can in your daily life, so many things you are using, so many changes you can see, and you can find more examples of these kind of changes. So children, this is about the reversible change. Now let's see about the irreversible change. Irreversible change means जिसमें हम एक सब्सटेंस जिसमें कुछ चेंज करेंगे उसको हम दोबारा से वैसा पहले जैसा ना बना पाएं, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड irreversible change. Means just opposite of reversible change, there is irreversible change. Okay, so let's see next what we are doing. Next activity, I have this potato and this peeler I am holding. So as I'll peel this potato, you know that with the help of peeler we can peel potato, and easily this thing I think your mother is doing daily, and you also should help your mother in by doing and cutting vegetables and peeling of vegetables. Now you can see I have peeled this potato, and can you make like this potato again by sticking these peels on this potato? Can you do this? No, na? If we try to stick these peels again, they will not give finish as the original potato, okay, which is unpeeled. Half I have peeled so that I can show you that before peeling it was like this because peel is still intact with this, but after peeling now there is a change in this potato. We have peeled off, but after peeling we can't make potato in its original position, okay, in its original state, previous state, like this. Understand? So that's why we can say that peeling of potato is a irreversible change. Understand, children? This is an example of irreversible change. In the same way, you can take so many examples of irreversible change. That tearing of paper is also irreversible change. Okay. So, this is your fourth activity. Means we have studied about the physical change, chemical change, and reversible change and irreversible change. So children, these four activity we will write under two experiments. Means one experiment we will write about these two kind of changes, reversible and this is irreversible change. And for other activity we will write physical change and chemical change, which I have shown you previously with the water and burning of paper. Okay children, so after this I'll show you an activity in which that both the changes can happen together. Means physical as well as chemical changes, both the changes we can see in one of the example, that is candle. Okay, so next video I'll show you third activity.